Well, hello there. Today I'm trying to film some sewing because apparently yesterday I ran around with a hole in my butt. The first step I like to do is to iron it flat, well, to turn your trousers inside out, and then to iron it so it's very flat and nice. Push it a bit together. You can search for a leftover fabric which is exactly the same shade of jean, but I only have this. What's this? That's the right side, that's the wrong side. Put it over the hole. Use some interfacing and lay it down so it can glue to the jeans. While ironing, don't forget to turn off the steam because interfacing doesn't like steam. It's nice to do it with one hand. This is a bit of a stupid place for a hole because you can't really sew above the pocket. You just can sew in the seam of the pocket and besides, because you can't sew it shut. Then let it cool a bit. So after it cooled down, you have to wriggle it under your sewing machine. It's a bit finicky and difficult, but you have to make sure nothing is underneath it. Really, that's one layer. I can show you. Because ripping it apart afterwards is annoying. And maybe it makes more holes. The first step I like to do is stitch in the ditch till here and then back, and then sew from right to left and right to left, really close stitches so it is stable and doesn't fray and doesn't break open more. I can do this with one hand, I think. But well, I'll show it afterwards. So here you can see the finished stitching. I mean, it looks a lot, but it's necessary so it doesn't rip further. I got a bit too much inside one stitch, but it's fine. The thread is not matching perfectly, but it's just, well, now it's an old trouser. It's a bit difficult to get it out with one hand. Yeah, here better. I probably made the patch a bit too long and wide, but you can cut that off if it's come unloose in the washing machine. But it's good and it's secure. It's fine. So I can wear it again. I could have used a darker thread, but I think it's fine. This whole reparation took me about 15 to 20 minutes, including searching for fitting thread and leftover fabrics. but now it's finished, and then I can wear my jeans again. Right? Gretchen.